Good morning, 9th Standard English Medium, JT Sheet Vidyalaya. Very warmful welcome in video lecture series. Okay, guys, today we learn Sanskrit lesson number 8, Kashayanam Ko Aparadha. What is the fault in the saffron clothes? This is the title about the lesson, lesson number 8. It is a very unique lesson, it is prose lesson, and when you read the introduction paragraph, you can clear about this lesson's idea, and when you read the glossary you are very much understanding about the each and every new Sanskrit word, meaning, noun, pronoun, adjectives, verb, etc. As well as also sandhi and compounds. So the main moral of the story is like that one should not allow one position to become on the obstacle in the process of social services. This is the base about the story. This is the moral about the story. It is also given in the introduction paragraph. So when you read the introduction paragraph, it is very much clear for you. And now today I start this lesson, Kashayanam Koprada. What is the fault in the saffron clothes? What is the problem in the saffron clothes? Okay, this is a lesson based at the time about the Mahatma Gandhi, when Mahatma Gandhi was started the freedom fighting at the 1947, 45, 46 in between. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi Mahodaya Swatantra Andolan Prarambha. See this is the freedom, India's freedom fighting, Swatantra Andolan. Mahatma Gandhi was started the freedom fighting at that time. अस्य आंदोलनस्य निखिले अपि व्यवहार प्रारंभेषु दिवसेषु साबरमती आश्रमे एव प्राचलत. At the movement about the freedom fighting, in the earlier stage there is the whole kind of conducting the activities about the Sabarmati from the Sabarmati ashram. This is the Sabarmati ashram is situated in Ahmedabad, and Mahatma Gandhi lived there at that time. एकस्मिन् दिवसे स्वामी सत्यदेव आश्रमत आगच्छत. Once upon a time Swami Satyadev was coming at that ashram. स देशस्य स्वतन्त्रार्थं कार्यरतस्य गान्धीमहोदयस्य कार्येण अतीव प्रभावितः प्रसन्नः आसीत्. He was very pleased and engrossed about the work of Gandhiji of the Swatantra Andolan, freedom fighting at that time, and then after at that reason he is very impressed about the Gandhiji and his work also. स गान्धीमहोदयस्य अकथयदं भवतम् आश्रमे प्रवेशं निवासं च इच्छामि. He want to live at the ashram about this type of work in freedom fighting with the permission about the Gandhiji. देशस्य स्वतंत्रता कार्यं कर्तुं ममपि महितम् इच्छा वर्तते. And he told to Gandhiji, I want to service about my country for this great freedom fighting. So सत्यदेवस्य प्रस्तावं गान्धीमहोदयः स्वीकृतवान्, and Gandhiji accepted his request about that from the Satyadev, and Gandhi Mahodaya akathat. And then after Gandhiji said like that, sadhu swagam atram bhavata, very welcome to you for here. आश्रमोऽयं भवता एव, किन्तु आश्रम प्रवेशात् पूर्वं भवता काषायं वस्त्राणां त्यागः करणीयः. You are very much welcome about the ashram, but when you enter in the ashram, when you live in the ashram, one should believe things like a kashayanam vastram, means saffron cloth. You should be leave the saffron clothes. And Gandhi Mahadasya Adesham Shutva Ascharyanvita Swami Satyadev Manasi Akupyat. Swami Satyadev was feel like anger about hearing about this Gandhiji's message like that, and Gandhiji's talking like that. So किंतु सः गांधी महोदयस्य पुरतः निजरोषं न अप्रकटयत्. But he can't present his rosh, krodha, means angerness from on front of Gandhiji. So akathat, and then after he asking like that and talking like that, kathayam kashayam vastram tyaga, why should I leave this saffron clothes? Kashaya vastranam koprada, what is the fault in this my saffron clothes? Aham sannyasi jana, I am a sannyasi, I am a sage. Sannyasi jana kashayam vastrani paridhayanti. All sages are wearing a saffron clothes. So aham kashayam vastranam tyagam kartam katham pravritto bhavami. How can I leave this saffron clothes? This is my dress code because I am sannyasi and all sannyasis wearing this saffron clothes. How can I remove that? How can I change that? स्वामी सत्यदेवस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा शान्तस्वरेण गान्धीमहोदय अकथयत्. After listening Swami Satyadev's words, Gandhi feel very cool and said like that, भवता यदुक्तं तस्य मम तस्य सत्यमस्ति. ओ नोबेल वन, यू आर सेइंग ट्रू. किंतु भवान सन्यास्य त्यागं करोतु इति न मम आशय. बट I can't say like that. You just leave the sannyasis sannyas. I just told like that. You change your clothes. केवलं काषायं वस्त्राणां त्यागं कर्तुं वदामि. I told like that. Just I talking like that. I say like that. Just you leave this saffron clothes, not your meaning of life of sannyasis. So now Gandhi Mahodayasya कथयम् आमर्त्य जनानां सत्यदेव विचारमुद्रायां स्थित मौनं चावलम्बित्वा. After hearing that, after listening Gandhiji's words, Satyadev think and stay mourn. Mourn means without speak anything, he just stay there. तस्य तादृशी मनोदशाम् अवगम्य गान्धीमहोदय स्वकीयम् आशयं स्पष्टं कर्तुं शान्तस्वरेण मृदुभाषया च सत्यदेव अकथयत्. After seeing like that, Satyadev was very surprised and very cool, and without say anything, Gandhi Mahodaya, Gandhiji, understanding his mentally situation, and then after in Sant Swar, in light words, or Mrudu Bhashaya, means in soft spoken words, he told like that. Gandhiji say like that, Shrunotu Bhavan Savadhanena Manasa, please listen me very carefully. Vayam Annesham Sevam Kartu Pravutta Sma. We are servicing to other peoples. We are servicing to other peoples. Etat eva asvakam dheyam asti. This is our goal. We should be try to servicing to other peoples, and this is our goal. Why? Because the Swatantrata Andolan is just not Andolan. It is the all kind of societies are included in there, and at that criteria, Gandhiji also servicing to poor people, illiterate people also. So not only the one thing about that the Sabarmati ashram happened, there is the all kind of referensive things are also happened in the Sabarmati ashram. So Gandhiji talking like that to Satyadev, we are servicing to people. We are working with the all kind of people, knowledgeable people, intelligent people, literate people, illiterate people, poor people. So now Bhavan Janativ Yasmadam Deshe Janaha. You know very well about our country's people. Kashayam Vastrani Sannyasim Seva Kartu Sadeva Samutskva Bhavanti. Our country's people are always very acceptable to servicing or to sages. This is our India's quality, our India's culture. We always servicing to, we always सेवा doing to sages. हम लोग संत की सेवा करते हैं, संत से सेवा लेते नहीं हैं. इसलिए जब भी सैफरन क्लोथ्स वाले लोगों को देखा है, सन्यासों को देखा है, हम उनकी सेवा के लिए उत्सुक होते हैं. दिस इज़ अवर country's culture. This is our method about our people. This is our mentality about our people, our Indian people. So now, यदा भवान् सेवाकार्यं प्रवृत्तो भविष्यति तदा काषायं वस्त्रधारिणं भवन्तं दृष्ट्वा एकतः ते भवतः सेवाकार्यं न अङ्गीकरिष्यति. When we are doing ourselves in the servicing work, when people showing like that in this saffron clothes, they can't accept your services, they can't accept your sevas. That's why Gandhiji told like that, first you must be remove this saffron clothes. Okay guys, few lines and few paragraph we will talk more about in next video lecture. you should be read the introduction paragraph very nicely. You should be read the glossary very nicely. And 2 or 3 times you should be read the Sanskrit lesson Kashayanam Kopradha. It is the prose type of lesson. Okay guys, first of all, it is very easy lesson. This lesson is very much important as a question answer, as a translation criteria, as a comprehension criteria, and sometimes as a chronologically event. So this lesson is very important. You should be learn very nicely, as well as in this meaning, in this glossary there is so kind of different about the adjective, compounds and meaning. So some synonyms and antonyms also clear about in this lesson. It is very talking type of lesson. This is a very easy Sanskrit should be used in this lesson. So guys, I hope so you can learn very nicely glossary and as well as lesson. In next video lecture we will talk about the more about this lesson Kashayanam Kopradha, and then after we discuss the exercise of the all kind of question answer. I hope so you can understand very well and very nicely. Take care yourself at your home. Thank you.